Average disposal of an Indian judge is 2,600 cases, whether it is a munsif or a Supreme Court judge. When judges come from abroad and watch us working, they are amazed. They can't understand how can judges work under such stressful conditions.
Hello everyone. In today's topic of the day, we'll be discussing about penancy and vacancies in judiciary. Now, the Supreme Court has rejected a PIL which asked for doubling the number of judges to reduce the penancy of cases. According to Supreme Court, merely doubling the number of judges is not the solution for penancy of cases, as more judges does not mean more case disposal, and instead good judges are required. Now let's see the present status of the judiciary pendency. The judicial system in India is under tremendous pressure. As of May 2022, over 4.7 crore cases are pending in courts across different levels of the judiciary. Out of them, 87.4%, that is 4.15 crore cases, are pending in subordinate courts, 12.4%, that is 59 lakh cases, are pending in high courts, and around 70,000 cases are pending in Supreme Court. So nearly 1,82,000 cases have been pending for over 30 years. Now, what are the reasons for such pendencies? Amid the rising trend of litigation, more people and organizations are approaching courts. These increasing litigation, however, is not reflected in the number of judges available to hear these cases. Example, India has only 717 High Court judges to hear a backlog of 59 lakh cases, which roughly translates to one judge for 8,200 cases. Inadequate infrastructure, both physical and digital, have resulted in overburden of courts, which in turn has led to a massive backlog of cases. Also, disruption due to the coronavirus pandemic further clogged the Indian judiciary system. Pending cases saw an increase of 20% in high courts and 13% in subordinate courts during the pandemic period, that is 2019 to 2020. Now, the center has set up tribunals and special courts to address the pendency, but cases continue to climb in these forums also. Now, there is a sharp spike in case pendency in Indian courts that has resulted in increase in the number of undertrials lodged in prisons. An undertrial is a prisoner on trial in a court of law. As per the Prison Statistics 2020 released by the National Crime Records Bureau, NCRB, undertrials accounted for 76% of the total inmates in around 1,300 prisons across the country. Now let's see the recommendations. Improvement in the judge-to-population ratio to reduce the overload of judges, increasing the number of working days of courts, establishing fast-track courts with strict implementation of deadlines, establishing Indian courts and tribunal services to increase the productivity of the court system. Now, this was a little bit about dependency and vacancies in judiciary. Coming to the practice question related to the topic, consider the following statements related to judiciary pendency. Statement 1. As of May 2022, over 4.7 crore cases are pending in Indian courts, with 87 of these pending in subordinate courts. Pendency of cases increased in high courts and subordinate courts during the COVID-19 period in 2020. Now, which of these statements given above are correct? You may take a moment and mention your answers in the comment section below. Now, the correct answer is C. Both the statement 1 and 2 are correct. I hope you liked the video and found the information useful. Also, check out the Daily Current Affairs section on our website for further details. And for more such videos, stay tuned to the NEXT IAS YouTube channel.